Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Bamboo on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Open Firefox. The process is same for all Ubuntu versions. Go to Bamboo official website, that is confluence.atlassian.then/Bamboo. I will keep this link in the video description. See, Bamboo is a continuous integration and delivery tool that ties automated builds, tests, releases into a single workflow. Okay, so to install it, you have to click on installing and upgrading. Click on it. See, here we have the different examples for installing Bamboo on Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So click on the first one, that is the Linux. Okay, before installing we have to check the supported operating system. Click on tell me more, supported platforms. See, the required Java versions are 17, data centers nodes, Windows and Linux. Databases, any of them. See, here we must have installed JDK, not the JRE. Okay, let me show you whether I have the Java JDK or not. Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK. If you haven't installed this Java JDK 17 on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Also, it is asking us to set this Java home variable. Okay, so for that, let us set the Java home variable. Go to Java JVM location, that is user lib ls cd jvm ls cd. Go to Java 17, open JDK. Okay, cd, I forgot it, ls. See, we have bin directory. Okay, so set this environment variable. Export java underscore home equals to, copy this path, paste it, hit enter, echo $java underscore home. See, we have set the correctly. Okay, the prerequisite first one is set. Then download the Bamboo. Click on this one. Click on check out our download archive. See, we have the long-term support release. This is the one 9.6. Okay, the older versions are 9.0. Okay, so click on this 9.60. click on the tar archive tar file, then accept, click on submit. See, download has been started. The size is 396 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download is completed. Click on getting started. So you got the same out page. Gunzip is for Mac or Linux. So we have downloaded the same one. Now create the installation directory. So go to terminal, cd home ls cd downloads control L ls. See, here we have the Gunzip file. Okay, let me, it is asking extract downloaded file to the installation location. So create a directory for installation. Okay, I'm going to create a directory here, but in your case you can create like opt Bamboo. I'm creating in Bamboo. See, permission is denied. Give sudo. Let me move this file to installation directory. Move Atlassian to opt Bamboo. So give the sudo ls. See, we don't have that file. Now go to, now untar or unzip this file. Tar xvgf Atlassian, hit enter. So it is giving the permission error. ls, so give the sudo see, we have successfully extracted. Control L to clear screen. ls, see here we have the Atlassian Bamboo 9.6 is the version. Okay, next step is create the Bamboo home directory. Okay, this is the home directory, no need to worry. Then open directory, then go to cd Atlassian ls. Now we have to Bamboo install Atlassian web info classes Bamboo init properties Atlassian Bamboo. Again go to this directory cd Atlassian ls. Now go to this directory web info inf, then classes ls. Now we have to edit this Bamboo. See, we have to edit this Bamboo init dot properties. Bamboo edit init dot properties. See, pwd. See, up to here, this is the home directory. Copy it. No need to copy. Control L. Edit or open this file. That is Bamboo init sudo vi Bamboo init properties. See here, it is asking us to uncomment this one. Then replace this path -i, paste it. Okay, now save the file. Now go to this home directory, that is this one, cd cd ls cd bin ls. See here we have the start bamboo.sh. Okay, so dot bamboo start, hit enter. See, we got the error, Java home is not defined. Again configure it, cd user library jvm ls, copy this one, cd java -1.17 ls pwd export java_home equals to, give this path, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now again go to this path or up to here where we have the extracted files, paste it. Now run the bin start hit enter. See, now it is throwing the permission error. So use the sudo. See, we have successfully started. Now go to the Firefox, then give localhost port number 8085, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Bamboo. Okay, open this one for the setup wizard. Now we have to get the evaluation edition license. Click on this self-service account, login Atlassian. See, if you don't have account, you have to sign up. So click on create an account, then log in with your Gmail, provide email, don't save, authenticate, click on continue. See, this is the full name. Okay, click on create your account, click on the product, then select Bamboo, It is saying your instance is up and running. Can give the student, organization name can be anything. Then go to the Bamboo login ID. See, we have to give this server ID. Paste it here, then click on generate license. See, this is the license. Copy it. Go to here, paste here, click on continue. Okay, this is the base URL and this is the name. See, these are different directories like configuration directory and all. Okay, see, this is the home directory. Click on continue. See, if you haven't installed PostgreSQL, you must have installed PostgreSQL. Select the PostgreSQL, click on continue. Provide username Postgres. Click on continue. Not now. So it doesn't have database. So before that, open new tab. Sudo su-postgres. Provide it. PSQL. Create database. Bamboo. Now provide the password. See, if you haven't installed PostgreSQL on your machine, then go to the link provided in the video description and install it. See, this is the prerequisite. Java and PostgreSQL. Now click on continue. Not now. Next, we will have two options. Next, we have to import existing data or create a new Bamboo home. Okay. Then next step is username is admin. We have to set the password. Then we have to provide full name and email. Okay. Then click on finish. That's all. So this is the way to install and configure Bamboo on Ubuntu 22.04. Bamboo or Devops videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.